Females. Oh, me love it, you know. But me sit down here so me a praise, and me a try to figure out why when start wear them pointed fingernails. Somebody explain it to me, cause me not understand. When I saw them, I was like, wow, these new gardening tools are amazing. Females just put them on them fingerhead and them can go do them gardening. But after seeing it on several occasions, different colors, I realized that it's the new fashion trend. Holy shit. Is that what fashion is? Looking like you're about to star in an Underworld 4? I don't understand the purpose of these vampire teeth fingernails. Look like if a girl touching your neck with 2 fingers, that's it. Twilight, here I come. Is it a new way to protect yourself from like criminals and shit? Is it a new way to cook and look sexy at the same time? Because if them fingernails then help you to chop up vegetable and blouse and skirt, cut up meat and peel some yam, some banana, some rotted whole, dasheen, some Irish potato, some sweet potato. Where the rasp now wear them so pointed and sharp for? With fingernails like those, I don't think women need to key cars anymore. They just rest them hand on it and you're being scratched the fuck up. I don't understand why the hell someone now walk around the place like goddamn Cruella de Vil and the manicurist. When you can't get a simple manicure, where the Teen Wolf fingernail them for? I'm tired of this shit. The girl walk around with them fingernails look like you're about to give somebody a poisoned apple. The goddamn wicked witch fingernails. I mean honestly, girls, when you put on any type of fingernails, do you really expect your man to give you a compliment about them? Babes, you like my pointed fingernails? Bitch, you going hunting or something? So the fuck your nails fish shop? I know it's a Christmas time soon comes in, but you don't have to try to take the Grinch rule already with them damn fingernails. They ain't pointed ass, nasty ass fingernail. Because the fingernail must have a type of rascal germs and that. Honestly, me don't see the point of painting your goddamn fingernails or your toenail. Much less for someone who know I put on a shitty ass, long ass, pointed ass fingernail. We look like you can just catch somebody and scalp them with source of fingernail. Any minute now, me expect you to swoop in and grab your catch and fly off. Someone not even have to buy a razor again. And just long out the fingernail and start shave. What the? What? Let me tell you something. As a man, I don't find that shit attractive in the slightest goddamn way. Cause if I see a girl with them type of nails and me know some more dabbling or wobble, bitch, I forgot tape up her fingernail before she touch me. Can't deal with the scratch marks. As a man, all we need to know is you got some beautiful, nice, clean finger and toenails. You know, some of this type of shit if left to that woman they when they're cooking. Left to the celebrity them, we have chef at the yard. As much as me hate to say other hands for female, I would prefer when I go back to the square fingernail. These acute angled fingernails and these isosceles triangle fingernails won't put on pound of friggin' hand. Me have to wonder if me dey a maths class. Be a sharp edge. How this TD? Someone have to go and go cook on a man food with their nasty ass fingernail and shave him with the same fingernail at the same time. I mean, it's your choice to do whatever the hell you want to do, but shit, bitch! Goddamn Beetlejuice ass fingernails. Someone not even wear the rounded edge ones. You not even try round it down. They're sharp. And this one I do with the fingernail, them have to point it so sharp. So if me have picking here and then take on some of the things, well, we, I do know. I notice me say we, because sometimes maybe the part I fuck with. Well, we, as human beings, I do know. They go in her face. Because if me have a daughter and she come around with fear fingernail them so pointed, me I send her go in her front of yard and make she start clip and cut the lawn with their damn long ass lawnmower type fingernail. Then hedge cutter fingernail. Those pointed fingernails have to be hazardous to everybody else's health. Because it's either you go pop your eyeball if you try to take something out of your eye, you go scrape your face, you go scrape your man, you go scrape somebody. And the germs were there under your fingernail, oh Jesus, that is sure death. Because nobody with them the fingernail, they cut they can't heal. Uno feel better. It looks so stupid. Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy. I want you to like this video and share this video. So all of the girls walking around with their goddamn fingernails so long and pointed with a knife fingernail them can see, share it, like it, and think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Yes, man.